Gusto po ba ninyo malaman ang simple at tamang paraan sa pagbili ng bahay kung kayo po ay bank home loan? Good morning, good learning everyone. This is your Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. Ang i-share ko po sa inyo today ay yung step-by-step with timetable sa pagbili ng property kung kayo ay mag-home loan. Day 1, mag-send po tayo ng letter of intent or offer to purchase kay seller. Sa letter po natin, ilagay po natin na nagre-request po tayo ng authorization to purchase, picture copy or photocopy of the title and tax declaration, at saka valid ID ni seller. If ang bibili natin property ay nakatie up sa bangko, we need to pay the reservation fee and sign the reservation agreement and have it notarized. Number 2, along with these documents, isubmit po natin ang ating requirements para sa ating home loan. Kung doubtful po kayo kung ma-approve kayo sa home loan nyo, pakipanood po ang previous video ko para mabigyan kayo ng tips kung paano ma-approve sa bank loan. In 2 to 3 weeks po, we will receive a text or email informing us kung na-approve po tayo sa bank. Along with the email, i-inform din po tayo ni bank kung magkano po ang ating na loan at magkano po ang interest rates. Just confirm that you accept the loan through email, then the bank will process your bank guarantee or your letter of guarantee. Number 3, set an appointment with the seller and pay for the down payment or equity. Then mag-sign po sila ng contract to sell. Number 4, after 5 to 7 days, after we confirm the email, magpapapirma po ng mga contracts ang bank, including po yung letter of guarantee. Upon signing those documents, pakisettle na rin po nila ang bank loan fees. Usually po, 2 to 3% of the loan amount po ito. Number 5, upon the release of the bank guarantee, you meet with the seller and submit the LOG. Then mag-sign po sila ng deed of sale as required by the bank, then settle na rin po nila ang title transfer fees para ma-start na po ang ownership transfer at mabayaran na po kagad ng bank si seller. Number 6, usually ang title transfer is 30 to 60 days lang po. After we transfer the title at tax declaration, submit all the requirements to the bank, and in just 10 working days, the bank will pay the seller your remaining balance. Then you may occupy the property na po. Kung kayo po ay may katanungan, pakitype lang po sa comment section. Kung nakatulong po ang video na to, pakitype po ang yes. Makisuyo na rin po kami. Paki-invite po ang mga friends po natin to like, follow, and share our social media platforms. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless po sa ating lahat.